Hello students, welcome to the new academic session. I am Mrs. Rohini Phakatkar. I will be teaching science for grade 6. First of all, we will recall some syllabus of grade 5th. Yes, in grade 5th we have seen balanced diet and the nutrients. Yes, what is balanced diet? Balanced diet, the diet in which the all nutrients are present in right proportion. Yes. What are the nutrients? Yes, there are total 7 nutrients. Yes, first we will see carbohydrates, then protein, vitamins, minerals, fats, roughage, and water. Yes, these all nutrients are required for our healthier body. Yes, these all nutrients gives us energy and help for a growth and protect us from all the disease. Now here our first chapter of grade 6 is the food. Where does it come from? Yes. In this chapter we are going to see the food variety, materials and the sources of food. Yes, first we will see the variety of food. Food variety. Suppose, for example, rice. Boiled rice, biryani rice, pulao rice. There are different types of rice. Like that, in a dal also, there are different types of dal. Yes, and roti, chapati, bhakri, like this, idli, sambar, yes, and dosa. These are also the different varieties. As our India is having a diversity, that's why the variety in the food also can be seen. Okay, next is the material. Material means ingredients also. We call ingredients to the material. Yes, means the material, that is the raw things we use for prepare the food. It's called material or ingredients. For example, we have, for example, boiled rice. In a boiled rice, raw rice and the water is used. Okay, these are called the ingredients. For example, food items and ingredients. For example, here chapati. Chapati contains ingredient, that is the wheat flour and water, salt, oil. Means the food items chapati, ingredients for required making chapatis are wheat flour, water, salt and oil. These are called the ingredients. We have seen the food variety and the ingredients. Now come to the sources of food. Sources of food. From where the food comes? Either from plants or from animals. Food grains grains, pulses, fruits, flowers, it comes from plants. Yes, different parts of plants are present in our food. Now animal food. Meat, chicken, milk. These are the animal food. But the milk product, that is the cheese, butter, curd, these also form from a milk. So that also comes under the animal product. Now for the more convenience, we will see one video.
We need energy to carry out different activities. We also need different materials for growth and development of our body. For example, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. The materials required for energy, growth, and development are nutrients. Basically, the materials required for growth and maintenance of our body are called nutrients. Food is the basic source of nutrients. The nutritious things which we eat for obtaining the nutrients is called food. There are variety of food. For example, fruits, vegetables, cereals, eggs, meat, fish, and dairy products. However, a single food does not provide all the nutrients. Therefore, we mix all these items to prepare a food dish. For example, dal is a famous Indian food dish which is mixture of pulses, water, salt, oil, and spices. The materials used to prepare a dish are called ingredients. Sambar is the famous South Indian dish. The main ingredients of this dish are tamarind broth, lentils, and vegetables. Can you tell me what are the ingredients of cooked rice? It just needs two ingredients, that are raw rice and water. Similarly, chapati needs wheat flour, water, and oil. We see variety of food dishes in different regions of India. Here are some of the famous dishes in these regions. Try to find out the ingredients used to prepare these dishes. Now, tell me, from where we obtain the food ingredients to prepare a dish? Primarily, the food ingredients are obtained from plants and animals. From plants, we obtain grains, fruits, vegetables, etc. For obtaining these materials, same kind of plants are grown in an area. We call it as agriculture. The plants grown in agricultural area are called crop. The crop used to obtain food is called food crop. Animals are also sources of food. We obtain milk, meat, eggs, chicken, fish, etc. from animals. Often we produce different food items from a single kind of food. For example, milk is used to prepare dairy products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd. So I hope you understood what is food, varieties in food, and sources from which these are obtained.